Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 8. Approximate 259.8 to the nearest 10. A, we have 260, B, 2600, C, 26, and D, 259. We have to approximate this number here, 259.8 to the nearest 10. The number is 259.8. Now, like we know, in the number system, we have the units, we have the tens, we have the hundred, we have the thousands, 10,000s, and so on. And also in the decimal places, also we have them, the tenths, the hundredths. Now, giving each of these numbers their place value, we say, well, this 9 here is units, the 5 here is 10, as in 59, and the 2 here is what? Is 100, as in 200, while the 5 here is 10, as in 50, and the 9 here is units, as in what? As in 9. Now we are asked what? To approximate this to the nearest 10. That is, we have to approximate to the nearest 10. So we are dealing with this what? With this 10 here. And we know that what? In doing approximation, for us to approximate, we either what? We either round up or we round off. So it's either you round up or you round off. Now what do we mean to round up? To round up simply means what? Moving to a what? To a higher 10 or to a higher what? To a higher 100. Take for instance, now you have what? You have something like 6, or you have something like 46, and you have to round up this 46. What will happen? You have what? 50. This is because what? The units which is considered is greater than what? Is greater than 5. Once you have a unit up equal to 5 or greater than 5, you can then round up that unit to the what? To the next what? To the next 10. Like you can see here now, we have 6 as our unit here. Because it is greater than 5, we round up this 6 to 10, thereby giving this 46 50. But in case of round off, you are bringing that thing down. That's what round off simply means. Now take for instance, we have 44. Now you can see that this 44 here, this 4 here, the unit considered is less than 5. So now you cannot what? Round it up to the nearest 10 to give you 50. What do? You round it off to the nearest 10 to give you 40. And so here you have 40 instead of 50. Why? Because the unit being considered here is less than 5. Now let's go to our question. Our question says 259.8. Now let's forget about this point here. We're dealing with the units here now. Now you can see that this unit is 9, and 9 is greater than 5. So therefore what will happen? We'll round up. In this case, we'll round up, not round off. So now for us to round up, since this unit is above 5, what happens? We'll round up this unit to the nearest what? To the nearest 10, thereby giving us what? 60. Thereby turning 59 to what? To 60. And therefore we have what? 260. So this is the answer in nearest 10. The answer is 260. Now let's check our options. Which of these options correspond to our answer? A says 260, which is very correct. B says 2600. No, we're not doing thousands here. It's wrong. C says 26, wrong. And D says 259, wrong. So our answer is A, 260. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more videos.